okay, not so? You are all okay. Gundi Patrick, I'm going to give your number to someone. You guide him on how we can upload the coursework on the portal.
Yeah.
So that is Microsoft Word. Hopefully for all of us we can see. So you are all exposed to that,
Yes.
not so? So can you ask any before? Do you have anything concern that you want to ask before we begin? Hmm?
Ndowooza nedda.
So hello? So we all know how to open up Microsoft Word, not so?
Yes.
We all know how we can open up a new file, not so? Now to open up Word, you click black document and then you start typing. And you all know how to type, not so? So on going to how do we go to the new paragraph, Patrick? Which digit or which letter do we press to go to a new paragraph? Because
New
I
paragraph.
want us to go from the start, because Dabanga you are just everyone is at his or own pace, and I want us to move together. That's why I moved from the beginning. You understand?
Yeah.
So to go to the new paragraph, how do we do? What do we do? Jackie, how do we go to the new paragraph? Hmm? You press A, you press enter. So how do we save the document? You come here to file, then you click save or save as, because this save as gives you option to browse and look for where I want to save your document. I can click desktop, I can choose a format. I can want PDF, I can want Word document, any format I want. You get it? That's why we are always encouraging you to choose save as. I want by the end of this engagement for you to be well conversant. So if I want to open it, like I typed a document yesterday, I want to open that document. How do we do it? I'm here, but I want to open another document. I'll come to file, I go to open,
Yeah.
then I look for that document, or I can browse and I look for that document. I typed some time back, and then you can see that it is displayed. It is displayed. Do we know how to do that, all of us? Opening an existing document. Like I had a document yesterday and I want to open it. We all know.
Yeah.
Winnie, do we know? Winnie,
Yes, sir.
can you open an existing document? I said you come to file, you come to open. You get?
Yes.
Are you seeing what I'm doing? Then you browse, you look for that door, then you click open. When you click open, that document will open. You get my point now? Like I'm typing some work, then I want to copy content from like maybe the work I typed yesterday. So you get my point now, eh? So I follow those steps. When you should try level best in the evening hours to get a phone, yeah? You get that of a colleague, yeah?
Okay.
Because in the evening what we handle is different from what we handle during the day. You get my point? So I want us also to see, since we know now how to save, how to open, and how to open a new document and open an existing file. We know how to do that, not so? Now I want us to see font changes, yeah? Text formatting. Do we know how to change font styles?
Yes.
You select that document, you come here. This is the font style. Patrick, you know, not so? Remember, at the end of it all, we are going to do an assessment, a national assessment. Know that. You get? That's why you have to handle theory with practical. Previously, last group we faced the challenge of theory. Those people, theory disturbed them. That's why I don't want to miss out any lesson of theory. So now you are all able to change font style, not so? Now we have what you call font size. Font size is determined from here. Now if I want 27, I will just type. Now I have 28 and 26. Here there is no 27, not so? If I need it, I will just come here and I type it 27. Then I click enter. I can change the color. It's changed from here. Do you know? I hope you all know how to do that, not so?
Yes.
I can give it a background. It's given from here. You understand my point, yeah? Okay. So let's talk about text styles. I want to go through because we have been doing these things. So I'm going through so that we are not left out. You get? So text styles, we have do you know how to bold?
Yes.
You know how to bold? I click, I come here and then I bold. I can italic, I can underline, I can drop down and choose any lines I want. You get? Or I can use shortcut Control U to underline, or Control V to bold on unbold. On your keyboard, yeah, you just press Control and then you add the B, or Control add I for italic or control, and add U for underline. You get? Are we together?
Yes.
So can you all know how to bold, italic and underline? Yes?
We know.
You know. So do you know how to align document, words or text? You know, Winnie, do you know about alignments?
Align.
Alignments. These are alignments. I can center line from right, from left, or just fine. You get? Shortcuts for left align is Control L on your keyboard. Control L, Control E, you are centering it. Control R, you are aligning from the left, and then justify is Control J. You get my point?
Yes.
So now you can type in a document, you give it a bold, you center line, and you put it in font size 8, not so? At the end, I'm going to send you a coursework on your portal. You get my point? You get my point?
Yes. Tuna.
Okay. So, do you know how to set up pages? Page setup? Do you know about page setup? Yes? Patrick? Winnie,
Yes.
do you know about page setup?
You go to page layout.
Page setup. So you come to page layout, then you go to margins, then you can set up either narrow or normal. You get, depending on your interest, on your page interest. Orientation, you can do that. You come to orientation and then you choose the style. Is it portrait? Is it landscape? You get? Then that is orientation. Then page size, again you go to size and then you choose either letter, either F4 or F3. Since yesterday tulina betunaliza, since you were available. So paper size, but F4 is the commonly used one. You get, You get, yes? Most of the times we use F4 format. So, do you have any question concerning that?
What about spacing?
I'm saying concerning what I have talked about. Concerning page setup, I haven't gone into spacing because I want to move every step. You get? You get my point? Is there any question concerning that? Do we have anyone asking a questions concerning that? Should I proceed?
Yes.
So I want us to see how to insert objects. How do we insert objects? you go to insert. If you are now, for example, let's insert images. We go to objects, insert, we go to pictures, then you choose a picture you want. Let me say this one, then it is inserted. Then I can choose what I want to do with it. I can maximize, I can click here and I send it on back. You get my point? I said I go to insert, then I go to picture, I choose the picture I want. I can change the size the way I want. I can even turn it. You get? Any question? Any question?
No.
Wait. So, should we proceed?
Yes. Yes.
So let's talk about how to insert tables. Do you know how to insert tables?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
You come here, table, and then you insert. You can either draw. I can just draw. Do you know how to draw?
A little bit.
Yes? Yes?
A little bit.
Better? You said I better do what?
I said a little bit.
A little bit. Okay. You can add even more. You can add even more of this. So, having known that, yours is always available. I told them to keep it. Having done that, we go to insert. You practice how to draw as you are seeing the one doing it, or you can just insert. You choose number of columns you want and number of rows you want, and then you just press OK. You get? Or you can just draw. You get? And then you draw the way you want. You get my point? You get my point?
Yes.
So that's what seeing as I'm now.
Now, do we all have experience about table?
Pardon, sir?
Now, inserting the table, we all have experience.
We know.
because this is an introduction. We shall go deep when time comes. To draw the table. You can name it, you can do anything. Then let's also talk about how to insert shape. How to insert shapes. Jackie, you are so quiet. Are these things not new? So let's talk about inserting shapes. A recording will be sent on YouTube for you to follow up and review. I hope you are all in our group, WhatsApp group, learning students group. Not so? A video will be sent there for you to review and take notes. So that is inserting table. Let's talk about how to insert shapes. You come here and then you choose the shape you want. It can be a circle, and then you just draw them. You get? Yeah?
Yes.
So that is shapes. I have talked about how to insert shapes, and then you can format that shape the way you want. You can remove, no fill, you change the way you want. Under tables, you can choose, you can click and then choose a particular table. You double click here, and then you go to table design. You choose a particular table you want. You get my point?
Pardon?
I'm saying after drawing a table, you can come here and double click with the lefty click. It will bring table design, and then you choose any design you want. Any design you want. You get my point? Yes. So I have talked about how to insert shapes. You come, you draw any shape you want, and then you double click with the left click. You double click with the left, and then you can choose. You can choose no fill, and then you make adjustments. You will practice in your setting. Then, having talked about that, let's see how to put the page numbers. Do you know how to put page numbers? Yes?
Page numbers?
Yes. You come to insert also. Are we together?
Yes.
You come to insert, then we have page numbers here. You can choose any format you want. Any format you want. Get? Is there any? So, should I give you an assignment and you first practice those? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Whereby next time we go to paragraph formatting. You get? When I come back in the practicals, at tomorrow you come early, we go to paragraph formatting. I want us to earn a little by little, but every day, just within the period of 2 weeks, you'll be so far, very far. You get? Okay, next time I'm going to say a recording for you to review, and then within 10 minutes check your portals. There is coursework for you to practice, or homework for you to practice. Okay? Okay?
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.